Hi guys, and welcome to 123 My IT's video on how to change the keyboard on a Toshiba Satellite L300. Okay guys, so this laptop here is my sister's laptop, and as you can see it's had some scribble marks put on the top from her kids, and also if you have a look at the keyboard there, the keyboard's totally gone. So what we want to do is we want to disassemble the laptop and put a new keyboard on it. Now, we purchased the keyboard for about $30 off eBay, and we're going to show you really quickly how to replace that one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is actually take out the battery. So all you do is you slide these butts across and remove the battery, like so. Pretty straightforward. Then you've got all these screws around the bottom of the chassis here, and you just take them out. They're called F6. They're all labelled F6. So you need to take one out here, 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 3 across the back there, 3 up on the top corner around here, 1 down here, 1 down here, and 1 at the front here, or 2 at the front there. Next thing also you want to do is take off this compartment. So take one screw off. This is the memory compartment. Just pop that to the side and take out your memory. Just slide the levers either side of the memory across, and it should pop up like that. And you just want to slide that one out. Okay, and the next one is to take out these 2 screws here. This is your hard drive compartment. Lift that one off. Okay, and then your hard drive just slides back. It's actually no screws on the hard drive. Okay, slide that one off. Alright, so once you've done that and you've taken out all the screws, you'll have 3 little screws at the back here. 1, 2, 3. Take those out, and they're called F3. Okay, and then what you want to do is turn the laptop over. Okay, slide the top back, and you can see the keyboard there. Now, there's a bit of plastic across the top here. It's pretty hard to see, but what you need to do is just grab yourself a flathead screwdriver and just kind of wiggle it out. Now the trick to doing the repairs on these laptops is when you're moving the bits of plastic, you actually just kind of pry them, do everything really gently, and kind of just pry things apart. And even if you don't exactly know how a bit of plastic's meant to come off, if you do it really gently and pry it apart, you'll either see that there's a screw there that you need to take off, or you'll just be able to slowly, gently wiggle it off. So with this part here, just really gently wiggle it off, and then it comes off like so. Okay. The next job here is there's 2 screws here, which I've already taken out. Okay, so they'll come out, and then you just get your screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver again, run that along here. There's a little plastic lip that you just have to push in the middle of the board. Take out the 2 screws, and then this one just lifts up like this, and really gently just slide it forward. Now you've got your cable that attaches the keyboard under here. Okay, so what you need to do is there's 2 little white clips either side of this cable. We just want to push those forward, one on that side and one on that side, and then your keyboard should just pull out. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and there's a keyboard cable there. So we'll just pop that one aside, and we grab the new keyboard, and same deal. So there's a little keyboard ribbon cable there. We want to pop that in, pull this forward, pop the cable, slide the cable in as far as we can, and push your little tabs down to lock it in place. Okay, and then just reverse your steps. So we're just going to slide this back in, and push that little plastic clip back a little bit. Okay, right, just push it down gently. That's it, until you feel it click into place. And then what we'll do is we just reverse everything we did. So we'll pop in the little screws, 2 screws here and 1 screw here. Alright, and then we would just pop our plastic bit across there, then close the lid, turn it over, put all your screws back in, and then fire it up and test it. I'm not actually going to do that now, because what I'm going to do before I go and put everything back together, I'm going to test it first with the new keyboard, just to make sure the keyboard works, so I don't have to pull it all off again. And once it's done, I will put it all back together, and then it should be job done, guys. So that's how you do it. Pretty straightforward. If this was helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.